Good morning, everyone. It's 10:30 in the morning in Korea, and I've been up already 8 o'clock and already at the eye clinic, and now I am in E-Mart. This is E-Mart. You can basically buy almost everything. Over there, furniture, and here, fruits, vegetables, and here, seafood, meat. Basically, you can find anything here, and it's very bulky and very good price. So during my stay in Korea, I'm going to visit some clinic where they have very specialized doctors. So just preventive reason. We'll do some medical check. But then, I mean, anywhere you go here, you can find the food. So one thing quite sure, I'll not be starving here. With that, I wish you a wonderful day. Bye for now. So I'm back to my home, my mom's place. So the first thing I do, I'm having lunch. So the lunch menu is 떡 만둣국. So 떡 is rice cake, and first of all the soup is a bone, and then this is a rice cake.
김치만 되는 거야.
And mandu. Mandu is a dumpling. My mom made this mandu. So this is homemade. It's pork, tofu, and chives, all kind of vegetables in it. And I think this is some kind of pork thing, but I don't think I want to have it. So you can see different types of kimchi too. This is mini radish kimchi, and this is perfectly ripe. And the normal cabbage kimchi.
먹어.
So good. Bye for now. So it's dinner time. So what will be my dinner tonight? It's a vegetarian burger. So it's not faking it, but it's like sesame leaves, salad, and inside this is a chili paste mixed some shellfish, and there's no bread, there's no cheese, no ketchup or grounded beef or whatever, but it will be interesting how it tastes.
난 이렇게 안 먹어.
So all in.
얘가 이렇게 생겼어.
Actually, it's very tasty. This is seafood. Shellfish has this Korean barbecue sauce.
So it's like Korean barbecue burger, but without bread, using this salad leaves. So I keep eating now, but I try to eat a little bit healthier. With that, I wish you a wonderful evening. Bye for now.